everybody, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thanks so much for stopping by today. So, today my recipe is a milk cream recipe in which I'm going to be using homemade condensed milk. So, you don't need to buy a tin of condensed milk, you can make your condensed milk at home. I'll be giving you all the ingredients with their measurements, and we're going to make this milk cream using this condensed milk. This is a little quicker version than the traditional Goan milk cream that we make generally. I have a recipe for that. I'll link it down below along with all my other Goan traditional recipes as well as new recipes, new Christmas recipes. So don't forget to go and check out all those recipes. I've given you the link. All you have to do is click on that link. It'll take you directly to my recipe. So without much further ado, let's head on to my kitchen and start with today's lovely milk cream recipe made with homemade condensed milk. So friends, let's start with today's lovely recipe. So here I have 125 grams or half a cup of cashew nuts. To that, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water and soak the cashew nuts for 20 minutes. This is a very important step. Now, after 20 minutes, take out the cashew nuts, add them to your mixer jar or your food processor, add about 1/4 cup of water, and we're going to grind this to a very thick yet smooth paste. Now, let's make the condensed milk for this lovely recipe. We get about 200 grams of condensed milk. For that, we require 60 grams or half a cup of milk powder. You can use any brand of milk powder. 60 grams or half a cup of powdered sugar. I've just taken regular sugar and ground it in my mixer jar, or you can use icing sugar. 60 grams or 1/4 cup of butter, which preferably should be at room temperature. Now we're going to add all of these three ingredients to our mixer jar, or you can use a food processor, that is the powdered sugar, the milk powder, and the butter. And we are going to add about 100 ml or 1/4 cup of hot water. So I've just heated up the water in my microwave. You can do it on a stove top, and we're going to grind this to a very smooth paste. And here we get our 200 grams of condensed milk, or it's all ready. So you can see the consistency. All you have to do is add the hot water to the three ingredients, grind it to a very smooth paste like this, and your condensed milk is all ready. So now let's start with our milk cream. So here I'm using a heavy bottomed pan. I've heated it up for a minute. I'm going to add my cashew nut paste. I'm going to add the condensed milk that we just prepared and one more ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So you can use vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Now all you have to do is stir the three ingredients really well together. See that everything gets well incorporated. And now all you have to do is just keep stirring the mixture till it starts to thicken up and leave the sides of the pan. Don't forget to scrape down the sides, and all you have to do is just stir till it gets nice and thick. So this took me, I put a timer on my phone, and this took me around 15 minutes of continuous stirring. Your heat has to be from low to medium, and you can see that it starts to thicken up almost like within about 5 minutes it starts changing its consistency, and you have to just keep stirring this. Now we're going to do a test to see whether our mixture is ready. All you have to do is take about 1/4 teaspoon of the mixture and drop it into room temperature water. And if you're able to form a smooth ball like this, that means your mixture is ready. Now I'm just going to cook it for another 2 minutes to get a nice thick consistency. And after that, we're going to transfer this to a steel plate or a glass plate so that it cools down instantly. So transfer the mixture while it's piping hot. Don't touch the mixture because it's really, really hot. And just keep stirring it with a wooden spoon or a spatula like this till it is manageable, till you're able to the mixture is nice and cool. And then all you have to do is just knead it to a nice thick dough like this. And then you're going to use this regular thick rubber mold, which is typical of for using making milk cream. This is easily available online, or you can get it at Crawford Market if you live in Mumbai, or you can get it in Bandra at Cheap Jack, or most of the stores on Bazaar Road in Bandra West. This is really, really easily available. And this is the perfect mold to use for milk cream because it's really nice and thick, and your milk cream can, gets ready within seconds. You can also use a silicone mold, but this is the real milk cream shape. The shells is the authentic or the traditional, the way milk cream looks. So I got from this, the measurements that I used, I got about 80 pieces of milk cream. So now if you want to, double the quantity, just you want to get 160 pieces, just double the ingredients or the quantity of all the ingredients I've used. And you can just press it down on the mold like this, and you see it instantly comes off because our mixture is so nice and thick. Now, I have got many people asking me that, Akshata, it doesn't become that thick. What do I do? It's not forming a mold. All you have to do is keep adding a little bit of powdered sugar at a time and keep kneading the dough till it becomes, to the right consistency. So your milk cream is all ready. You can try out this recipe, or like I said, you can use the traditional milk cream recipe. I'll leave a link to that and all my other recipes down below. So I made two batches of this, so I got about 160, and they are really delicious. So do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section below. Watch the video till the end. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So friends, wasn't that a real easy and quick recipe? Also, now you know how to make condensed milk at home. You can use that for so many other recipes. You don't need to go and buy a tin of condensed milk. It's as simple as that. So if you like today's video, then don't forget to give this video a like. That will really help me out. And also do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Do leave your comments down in the comment section. That really helps me out to see whether you like the recipe, whether there was something more that you wanted to see, whether you wanted some more recipes for me to put out there. So do leave your feedback. It really counts. And also do share my recipes with family and friends. Go and check out Akshata's recipes. I have more than 3,000 recipes on my channel, right from Goan traditional recipes to Christmas recipes to Maharashtrian recipes, all kind of recipes. So you can just go and type it in the YouTube search button. Suppose you're searching for marzipan, so you put marzipan, Akshata's recipes, and my recipe will pop up first. So thank you guys for watching the video till the end. That really, really means a lot to me. And I'll catch you soon with another recipe, sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.
I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his